Hi everyone, we are at the SLS Las Vegas. It's going to change its name back to the Sahara pretty shortly, but right now it is still the SLS Las Vegas. We are in the Grand Tower in a luxurious Grand King, they call it. Wonderful room. They've got cool fabric panels all over the room. Here's your entryway when you walk in. Off to the right, we have the bathroom and the shower area. We like it that the bathroom is separate from the shower area, so you can use both and not disturb anyone else. We've seen previous YouTube videos where people complain that the storage for clothes is not good enough. We think they're crazy. To give you an example, we're traveling for 7 weeks, so you can imagine how much clothes we have brought. And we found the 6 drawers, the hangers, and this tower, ample space. Inside one of the drawers, if I can get open my foot, is the safe. The other 5 drawers are open to use whatever you want, and we easily stored everything. Moving on to the shower area, they have a fantastic shower. We both love it. It's got dual nozzle heads, you can run at the same time, lots of room, big vanity with huge mirror. As we make our way along to the actual room, as Lisa's hiding around corners. So when you enter the room, you can see it's really, really nice. Lisa and I both love the king bed, super comfortable. Pillows are wonderful. I think they're the best pillows I've ever had. The room only had 3 at first. We just asked housekeeping to bring us a 4th and was there the next day. Here's more of the fabric panels. We think they're cool. Some might think they're cheesy. I think they're awesome. We've got a really long sofa along the whole wall. Big screen TV. You can see out the window how we're at the far end of the strip, so it's not walkable to the strip, but the monorail is right outside, so it makes easy access. You have an office desk, charging ports. This is the other side of the shower, so you can close that panel if you like or leave it open. But overall, a fantastic room. The only downside to this room is this fridge. It's small and it's completely packed with their amenities, so you can't store any of your own stuff.
If you move anything, they'll charge you a $30 restocking.
Yeah, so don't touch the fridge.
They do give you free water though.
They do. Walgreens is right across the street, so as you can see, we've stocked up on snacks and drinks, but again, you can't keep them in the fridge.
The free water is only this big though. So the first day we had 2, the second day we had 4, and now we have 6 because we're leaving tips for the maid. Tip the maid.
Yeah, we're drinking lots of water, as you should do in Vegas. But yeah, fantastic room. And if you really want to know about the bed, well, look, there's your mirror. Hi everyone, just wanted to give you a little tour of the main part of the hotel. I'm standing right now in about the middle of the resort. If I follow this purple carpet, I will arrive at the front entrance of the hotel, the main entrance, and the casino. When you first arrive at the SLS, if you have your driver drop you off at the main entrance, you'll have to walk through the casino with your bags to get the check-in. If you want to avoid that, have your driver not drop you at the main entrance. Instead, have them take you to the back entrance to the hotel, which is the check-in entrance. This is the main pool of the hotel. We'll show you more on that later. But for now, I just want to show you where Uber and Lyft pickup is, because it's different from where you get dropped off. I'll show you the check-in desk and where the monorail is. So as you approach the back side of the hotel, here's where you catch Uber and Lyft for pickup. You can see by that sign. Those glass doors where that couple is going through right now, you go through those glass doors, head to the 4th level of the parking garage, and they've got a nice couch set up there, so you can wait comfortably for your Uber or Lyft to arrive. Only takes between 2 and 4 minutes for the driver to get there. It's really convenient. If I continue walking to the back of the hotel, that's where you'll find the check-in desk. Now, it doesn't matter if you're staying at the World Tower, the Story Tower, or the Grand Tower. You can use this main check-in desk to check into either tower. The Grand Tower has its own check-in desk on its own. We'll talk about that later. But here is the main check-in desk, as you can see. Beyond that is the back entrance for check-in, so have your driver take you to the back if you want to avoid walking through the casino. Now, that's the main check-in desk, Story, World, or Grand Tower. But if you are staying at the Grand Tower, it has its own personal check-in desk down this hallway. A little more personal service. As you walk towards the Grand Tower, you have the monorail entrance, which is really convenient because the SLS is at the far end of the strip, and the monorail is very handy to take to the rest of the strip very cheaply. So if I walk down the hallway here towards the Grand Tower, now actually in the Grand Tower area, we have a nice little bar in this area. And the check-in desk for the Grand Tower itself is just back here. Lisa and I love the Grand Tower. It's billed as the more luxurious of the three. The World Tower and the Story Tower are more hip. I guess Lisa and I are not hip, we're more luxurious. So there's the Grand Tower's check-in desk. And here is the Grand Tower elevators. Hi everyone, back at the center of the resort to show you the pools of the SLS. This first pool is the Foxtail. It's located in the main floor, right between the hallway to the registration desk and the hallway the other way towards the casino and front main entrance. So here's Foxtail, their main pool. Now she's probably laughing really hard right now because I'm on my 4th take. I told her I'm going to get it right this time. Let's hope. So Foxtail is their main pool. Really nice pool. Nice comfy day beds, nice cushions. They've got cabanas on both sides if you'd like to rent. Show you a quick view of a cabana here. Typical Vegas cabana. But if you don't want to wish your cabana, the day beds are wonderful and free. So Foxtail has 2 pools. Sunday to Thursday, it's open to families and everyone. But on Fridays and Saturdays, Foxtail has a live DJ and turns into the party pool. So no kids Friday and Saturday. But today it's midweek, so it's open to anyone. I'm here at 9 a.m. filming because I don't want to be the creepy guy walking around a pool with a camera. So it just opened, people are getting set up. Hello again everyone. I'm going to show you the grand pool. My blurry reflection is of the elevator door because on the 4th floor of the Grand Tower, inside the elevator is pretty cool. Floor. So the grand pool is Lisa's and my favorite pool because it's adult only. You must be 21 years of age or older to come to the grand pool. To get to it, you come to the Grand Hotel check-in desk, and there's a door right off to the left as you face the desk that leads you to the elevators, which will take you to the grand pool on the 4th floor. And the grand pool is a lot smaller than Foxtail, which is one of the reasons Lisa and I like it. But the main reason it's adult only, so it's much quieter. It does have a bar service here to the side when you first walk up. Really friendly staff. The chairs are not cushioned like they are at Foxtail, but they still are very comfortable. And of course you have towels. Now again, we're here at 9 a.m. We're just getting set up. Both times Lisa's been here, and I've been here once with her yesterday. There's only ever about 13 people here at the pool, so it stays nice and cozy, nice and quiet. They have canned music, which is pretty good actually. They do have some cabanas to rent, but they are smaller than the ones at Foxtail. Everything's a bit lower key here at the Grand Pool. The third and final pool at the SLS is called the Retro Pool, and there it is right there. As you can see, no one's in it because it's not open right now. Here's the Foxtail, the main pool that I showed you earlier. On Friday and Saturday, and it turns out Sunday as well, there's a live DJ. On those days, no kids allowed in the pool. On Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the Retro Pool is open for kids, and it's on the 2nd floor. Hi again, everyone. Just figured I'd show you the fitness studio at the Grand Tower. I can't show you the studios for the World or Story Tower because I'm not staying there, but here's the Grand Tower fitness room. Towels awaiting you when you walk in off the 2nd floor of the Grand Tower, right by the spa or through the spa. Got a few bikes, treadmills, And ellipticals. Full range of circuit equipment, universal equipment. Tucked into the corner, we've got some kettlebells, some dumbbells, cable machine, chin-up bar, punching bag, speed bag, and gloves to use. And wrapping down the complete other side, we got some chilled water in the fridge, some weighted balls, some Swiss balls, the ever-dreaded scale. And like I said, the entrance is just off the spa on the second floor of the Grand Hotel. Pretty good for a hotel fitness room, I have to say. Later.